What's up, Swole Gang? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the content as I am putting it out as fast as I possibly can, but as slow as I possibly can at the same time. If that makes sense. I don't know. Well, we have a brand new one, another unboxing for you guys. It's a wireless microphone. It is this one, my friends. This is what we're looking at right here. All right, so we're going to unbox this thing out. We're going to test it out. So right now, you guys are hearing my microphone from my phone the exact same way as it comes out. So once we get this thing unboxed and we get this thing connected, then we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up so you guys can hear the difference. Now this is the one that you guys probably seen on different social media platforms. I really can't call out some of those platforms because whenever I try to sell a product, I can't say someone else's place that I'm trying to sell it from as well. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but this is what it looks like right here in the box. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys just like chill, right chill. All right, you got that. This is the case that it comes in, and we're gonna go over this in just a second. We got some instructions inside here, and it looks like we got like some sort of the cable is probably inside this one. Yeah, that's the cable, the wires, and everything like that. Nothing else inside the box. Really good presentation, guys. Really good presentation. So let's see what kind of connection this one has. Now, one thing that made me buy this one is because it can go between both Android and iOS. So if you guys have an Android, you can use it, or if you guys have an iPhone, you can use the exact same one. You don't have to purchase a separate one. And I will put a link in the description for you guys, or you guys can check out the bio. Like I said, depends on what platform you guys are watching in. Check out the bio, check out the link in the description, and you guys can purchase it there. Okay, so we'll get it going just like that. All right, so of course we got the empty box, and we got the USB Type-C down here right now. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Pretty much unwrap it and see what we got. It's got two connections. Oh, so you can, I guess, charge both at the same time. That's what's up. And keep in mind, guys, this is two separate microphones. All right, so it's the case. It's plastic, hard plastic, so it's very durable. So if it does fall down, I don't think that this is gonna mess up the case. The case may get scratched or scuffed a little bit, but it is what it is, guys. For the price, honestly, I don't think this is bad. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing. Oh, this is the place you charge that's where you put the plug, I guess. Plug it in just like that, and there you go. And then you have like a brick that you have to already have a brick on your own, charging brick. And then here's the case we're gonna open up right now. All right, so this is it right here. This is what it looks like, my friends. Oh, wow. All right, so I guess once it sits inside the case, it's gonna charge. All right, these are the parts that you're gonna put inside the bottom of your phone. And we got said phone right here. We're gonna plug them up in the bottom just like that. I guess you gotta turn it a certain way. On my phone, that's what it looks like. All right, and it has to be, it's like a plug and play. From what I've heard or what I read, it's a plug and play. All right, so we got two different microphones. So if you guys are doing like an interview or something like that of somebody, you guys can have, you don't have to just pass the microphone. You guys can clip one on your own, on each of you guys. We'll just put one just like right here, like that, and that should pick up very nicely. So once we get this thing hooked up to our deal, then it should make a different sound. So let me go ahead and get this thing paired up and everything like that, and we'll see what's going on. All right, guys, so hopefully if you guys are watching this video, I had to re-record this part right here because I had this thing on mute. Just make sure that when you have your device, you don't have it on mute. Like right now it's on talk, it should be anyway, and you have it on mute. You have the little mute button right here, should be good to go. So I had to re-record this part, but it's all good. It is what it is. All right, so hopefully if you guys watch the beginning of the video, you're gonna hear a difference in the voice. It might sound crisp, it might sound clean and clear, I don't know. So I haven't heard it myself until I edit this video, and that's pretty much it. I hope to God that this thing does have some sound to it, because I'll be very embarrassed if it does not. All right, hopefully it's not too loud or anything like that, but like I said, once I edit this video, then my friends, you will see. And I see the light's solid right now, so I guess it is good to go. So it should be not muted or anything like that. We should be good to go. I'm praying to God. All right, so I have on the bottom of the device, like I said, you can also plug this on to your iOS device. You can plug it on your Android device, both, all in one. You don't have to buy a separate microphone. I know I've seen other microphones just like this one, where you have to buy one for iPhone and you have to buy one for Android. This is the same thing. Now, I know that newest iPhones, they all have Type-C. And this one has a lightning connector and the Type-C connector on the both. So if you have an old school iPhone, you're going to be good to go. If you have a new school iPhone, you're good to go. You have Android, you're good to go. All right. Now, if it has a Type A or something like that, then of course you're not good to go on that. All right. You got the little transmitter, has a little green light on it on the bottom. I wish I can show you guys that on the phone, but I cannot. And that's pretty much it. You got your case. The little transmitter that is on the bottom of the phone will sit right in this part right here. You got your microphones sitting in there just like that. They're going to charge just like that. Or if you guys want to charge it through the case, you're going to plug it in the back right here. Or if you want to charge the actual microphone itself, it has 2 different ports. You plug it in just like that. All right. So if you want to plug both microphones up with the charging brick right there, boom. There you go, my friends. You are all set. Looks like all the bases and avenues and everything is covered on this one here, guys. I'm excited. The price is not bad at all. Now, I can't really talk about too much where I'm selling this product if you guys want to click on a link. But depending on what platform you guys are watching, guys, I will put a link in the description if you want to purchase one. Or check out the bio. You can check out my store that way. And you guys can purchase one just like this one. And it helps me out, guys. It helps me and I can help you guys out. You guys get like a discount or whatever the case might be. It's a good possibility. Who knows? But make sure when you guys use this thing, you don't have it on mute like I did, like a doofus. All right. You got your little indicator lights and everything like that, and we're good to go. All right. That's pretty cut and dry. Hopefully everything comes out sound wise, and you guys enjoy this product as much as I think I'm going to be enjoying this thing in the future. You know, I've been on the market for another microphone for a while. I used a different one for a long time. If you guys watch any of my other videos on different channels, then you'll know that I use a different type of microphone. But I think it was time for change. I had that microphone for a long time, but now if I do interviews, I'm good to go. Or if I have like a co-pilot, someone on the channel with me, there we go. We both covered. We both got microphones. We could talk. We don't have to pass the mic or anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. As always, thank you for your support. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, or whatever. Like I said, whatever platform you guys are watching on, do your boy a solid and drop that like, follow, or whatever the case might be, because I got tons of content coming out just like this, but even more. All right. By the way, peace.